Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand the very important part of our chapter, which is the important compounds of carbon. So as we know, organic compound का जो main element है वो हमारा carbon ही है, and we have infinite number of carbon compounds, from which in this chapter we are going to understand about the most important compounds like alcohol and acids. So first we have to understand what is alcohol. So alcohol is the hydroxy derivative of hydrocarbons. If we will replace one or more hydrogen atom from hydrocarbons with hydroxy group, that is OH group, then the compound is called as alcohol. Okay. So in this chapter we will understand about the ethanol, which is the hydroxy derivative of ethane and ethanoic acid. Okay, so first we have to understand about ethanol. So as we know, ethanol is the hydroxy derivative of ethane. One or more than one hydrogen atom is get replaced by OH group. It is the alcoholic group called as hydroxy group. Then the compound is called as ethanol. Okay, ethanol. So it's is also called as ethanol. What is ethanol? Ethanol is the hydroxy derivative of ethane. Hydroxy derivative of ethane. Let's understand. This is the ethane. We have formula is CH3 single bond CH. That is C2H6. It is the ethane. If one of the hydrogen atom is get replaced by OH group, then it is called as ethanol. It is called as ethanol. Instead of E, we are using suffix OL. That is all. Okay. So it is the hydroxy derivative. It is the hydroxy derivative of ethane. Its molecular formula is C2H5OH. Very important. It is C2H5OH. Its structure is CH3CH2OH. It is the linear structure of ethane. Okay. It is CH3. From here we have CH2, and from here we have OH. So CH3CH2OH is the linear structure of ethanol. Okay. Now we have to understand the physical properties of ethanol. So what are physical properties? So first, at the room temperature, ethanol is a colorless liquid. It is the colorless liquid. So here we can write also liquid. So at a room temperature, alcohol is a colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. If you will boil ethanol, it boils at 78 degrees Celsius. So very important to remember the boiling point of alcohol, which is 78 degrees Celsius. Now next, it is also called as alcohol or spirit. Generally in hospital, spirit is used to sterilize the instrument of medical instruments like scissor. Okay, they are used, alcohol is used to sterilize them. Now what is sterilization? Sterilization means the removing bacteria and viruses from the objects is called as, this process is called as sterilization. Okay, so for sterilized purpose, spirit, that is alcohol or ethanol, is used for the sterilization process. Okay, remember, very important. Okay, next, ethanol is a very soluble in water. बहुत ज़्यादा dissolve हो जाता है water में. Okay, so it is the merely soluble in water. That's why alcohol is used as an industrial solvent due to its solubility in other substance in it. Okay, next, aqueous solution of ethanol. See, ethanol is really a basic in nature, but when it is tested in concentrated form, But aqueous solution of ethanol is tested with litmus paper. It is being neutral in nature. Okay. So alcohol actual में कैसा है? Basic in nature है because it produces H positive ion. Okay. So but it will also taste bitter. But when aqueous solution of Na, that is ethanol, when tested with litmus paper, it shows neutral nature. There is no change in litmus paper. Okay. Next, consumption of ethanol, that is alcohol, is very harmful. Alcohol consumption is really very harmful. It directly affect to the central nerve system. Central nerve system include brain, spinal cord. Okay. So alcohol lowers the functioning of central nerve system. सेंट्रल नर्व की फंक्शनिंग को लोअर कर देता है, ड्यू टू विच द पर्सन कैन नॉट बैलेंस हिट्स बॉडी. दैट्स व्हाई पीने वाले जनरली ऐसा लड़खड़ाते हुए चलते रहते हैं. ओके, दिस इज ड्यू टू द एल्कोहल के एक्शन के कारण. इट लोअर्स द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ एल्कोहल. ओके, नेक्स्ट, एल्कोहल इज नार्कोटिक इन नेचर. नार्कोटिक का मतलब होता है इफ यू विल consume alcohol for few days you will get addiction. आपको उसकी आदत लग जाएगी. Such drugs are called as narcotic drug. जिनकी आदत पड़ जाती है ऐसे ड्रग को हम बोलते हैं नार्कोटिक ड्रग. लाइक आपने देखा होगा स्मोकिंग करने वाले. ओके, विदाउट स्मोकिंग दे कैन नॉट परफॉर्म देयर डेली एक्टिविटी. ओके, उनका डाइजेशन डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, उनका ब्रेन पावर प्रॉपरली काम नहीं करता. व्हेन जब वो गुटखा खाने वाली की अगर बात करते हैं, जो पर्सन दे आर चेविंग टोबैकोस एंड स्मोकिंग सिगरेट्स, दे गेट एडिक्टेड. एंड in tobacco what is the main component है? That is nicotina tobacum. It is again a type of narcotic drug. Now last but not the least point about physical properties of alcohol. It is used as a solvent in various industries and it is again used in medicines also. Okay, so students, this is all about the ethanol. Okay, so this is not the part that you have to write. Okay, so this is the very important point that you have to remember. It is all about the physical properties of ethanol. Okay, so write down first, then we will move towards the chemical properties of ethanol. So now we will understand about the chemical properties of ethanol. So chemical properties means nothing but the chemical reaction of ethanol with other atoms or metals or other substances. Okay, so first property we have in our syllabus, which is the reaction of ethanol with sodium metal. You know sodium metal, it is a very soft metal and highly reactive among all the metals. Okay, sodium and potassium are the very reactive metals among all the metals and they are being a very soft that you can cut with knife also. Okay, इतने soft metal होती है. Okay, so first we have to understand the reaction of sodium metal, then with ethanol, then we will write the description. Okay, so first we have to understand the reaction. Okay, so ethanol is CH3 CH2OH. It is ethanol. Okay, and here we have sodium metal. So what will happen when ethanol reacts with sodium metal? Okay, let's check. See, sodium is the electron donor metal. It loses its electron very fast. Okay, and see ethanol, here we have OH group. OH group is nothing but a hydroxyl group. It is O and H. So in O and H, oxygen is being very electronegative. It will attract the shared pair of electron towards it and will form oxygen negative charge. A hydrogen positive ion will release. Okay, then sodium will attack on that oxygen atom to form ONA by the loss of electron. Then this hydrogen atom gains electron which is loses by the oxygen and will form hydrogen gas, will produce hydrogen gas. So one of the product is hydrogen gas. So here we have to write hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas. And sodium ethoxide will form. Sodium ethoxide. Its formula is CH3CH2ONA. CH3CH2ONA. Here on oxygen have negative charge and on sodium have positive charge. Okay, so it is the sodium ethoxide. Its name is sodium ethoxide, and hydrogen gas is released. Hydrogen gas is released during the reaction. It is ethanol, so you have to write their name also, reactant as well as product, to get full marks on exam. So it is ethanol and it is sodium metal. Sodium metal. Okay. So now we have to balance the reaction. See, when sodium reacts with ethanol, will produce one H positive ion. But here we have two hydrogen. So in order to balance hydrogen, here we had to multiply by 2. Now we have two ethane group. So here we have to again multiply by 2 coefficient in order to maintain or to balance the reaction. But here sodium metals are 2. So here again we have to multiply by 2 coefficient. Now the reaction is balanced. Okay. So this is how ethanol reacts with sodium metal. It produces sodium ethoxide and releases hydrogen gas. Okay. Due to release of the hydrogen gas, when hydrogen gas comes in contact with air, when sufficient amount of hydrogen gas is released, it catches fire. It catches fire. So when sodium is added on alcohol, it is a kind of explosive reaction. Okay. So we have to write the description for the reaction. Okay. So whatever is in this process, we have to write the same. Okay. Like when ethanol reacts with sodium metal, it produces sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. That's all. Okay. So we have to write when ethanol reacts with sodium metal, it produces or it gives sodium ethoxide and produces hydrogen gas. Okay, and this is the reaction example. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so this is the first chemical property of sodium or ethanol when it reacts with sodium. Okay, so you have to write down the reaction as well as description, and you have to understand and learn how to write the description for the reaction. Okay, write down now. Now the next chemical property of ethanol. Okay, so the second chemical property is dehydration reaction of ethanol. So dehydration means what? Dehydration means removal of water. D means to remove, hydration means water. So the removal of water molecule from alcohol is called as dehydration reaction. So dehydration means the removal of water molecule. Okay. So now let's understand with the help of reaction. Okay. So when ethanol is CH3CH2 and OH. It is CH3 CH2OH. I am writing one of the hydrogen of CH3 here. Okay, it is CH2 and here again one hydrogen atom present, that means it is CH3 CH2OH. Okay, so when ethanol is boils with concentrated H2SO4, so here we have to write condition, it is concentrated H2SO4. It is sulfuric acid. It is sulfuric acid at 170 degree Celsius temperature. If we will boil alcohol at 170 degree Celsius along with concentrated H2SO4, from this carbon atom OH group and from this carbon atom hydrogen atom is released to form water molecule. Okay, it will form water molecule. Okay, see here what will remain now? CH2 single bond CH2. But in order to balance the valency, they will share one more electron pair to form double bond. Okay, so here CH2 double bond CH2 is formed, that is ethene. It is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so it is ethanol. It is ethene. See double bond, for that double bond we are writing ENE and it is water molecule. Okay, so this is the reaction. See here water molecule is removed from the ethanol, that's why it is called as dehydration reaction. Okay, now we have to write the description for the reaction. Okay, so what will be the description? When ethanol boils at 170 degree Celsius temperature with concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 gives, or ethanol, it is ethanol undergoes dehydration reaction to form what will form? Ethene. It form ethene. It is ETHENE. Okay, so students, here we have completed the chemical properties of ethanol. Okay, so write down this reaction, and after writing this reaction please do repeat this video once so that you will understand everything about ethanol. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय फॉर नाउ।